Welcome back to your daily market snapshot. Kicking things off, Alphabet is having a fantastic day, up nearly 5%. There's no major news driving this, suggesting investors are just feeling bullish on big tech. Sometimes the market just does what it wants. Next up, Robinhood is climbing over 3%. With no specific catalyst, this could be a sign of renewed retail investor confidence, as the platform's fortunes often mirror the mood of the market. A rising tide lifts all boats. Meanwhile, Honeywell is taking a nosedive, dropping over 6% today. The strange part? The broader market is doing well. For some context, Zacks recently analyzed whether Sumitomo or Honeywell presents a better value opportunity, highlighting that value investors are watching closely. Zacks analyzes whether Honeywell or Sumitomo offers a better value opportunity by evaluating earnings estimate revisions and style scores. Copart is in a world of hurt, plunging 8%. This weakness follows recent disclosures, with Insider Monkey reporting that Renaissance Investment Management sold off its stake in the company due to fundamental headwinds. Renaissance Investment Management sold its stake in Copart due to fundamental headwinds as rising auto insurance costs lead consumers to drop collision coverage. Comcast is having a blockbuster day, surging over 4.5%. The excitement is all about a potential plan to spin off its media assets. The Motley Fool reports that the planned separation of broadband from media properties has investors feeling incredibly bullish. Comcast announced plans to separate its broadband and mobile services from its NBC Universal and Sky media properties. Is that a BlackBerry you see? The stock is rocketing up nearly 10% today. The catalyst appears to be a major upgrade. Zacks upgraded the stock to a buy rating, citing improving fundamentals and upward earnings estimates. BlackBerry received a Zacks rank upgrade to buy, driven by an upward trend in the company's earnings estimates. Supermicro is in the hot seat, plunging over 8%. 24/7 Wall Street reports that Taiwan authorities raided Supermicro offices in an NVIDIA AI chip smuggling probe. This is a developing story with massive legal implications. Supermicro shares plunged after Taiwanese authorities raided its offices over allegations of smuggling NVIDIA AI chips to China. Talk about a comeback. Yahoo Finance recently highlighted that the Magnificent Seven are having a dreadful year as investors grow impatient with AI spending, but Tesla is defying that trend today, soaring over 8%. Wall Street is growing impatient with massive AI capital expenditures, dragging down the Magnificent Seven tech stocks. Taking a step back, let's look at the broader leaderboard for today. AT&T is getting a bad signal today, dropping nearly 4%. Guru Focus reports that AT&T hit a new 52-week low as SpaceX eyes the wireless market, adding significant competitive pressure. AT&T hit a 52-week low amid competitive threats from SpaceX's potential retail mobile service and its removal from the Russell Top 50 index. Shares of medtech company Embecta are feeling the pain, down over 5%. The pressure is mounting. Insider Monkey reports that Embecta was hit with a sharp target price cut as medtech sentiment weakens. Investors are watching closely to see if the sector can stabilize. Embecta faces a sharp target price cut as broader sentiment across the medtech sector begins to weaken and cool off. And finally, Netflix. After all that market drama, what's the streaming giant up to? Basically nothing. The stock is perfectly flat, taking a breather with no news to drive it. Guess it's just chilling today. We'll see you next time. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at the momentum matrices showing the most overbought names and the strongest liquidity spikes.